Hello everyone, this is Bisnetplus on your way today again. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Should I draw another video, you'll be able to get notified that another wonderful video has dropped. So guys, what I want to show you today is this beautiful chart on Crash 1000 index, and currently I am on H4 time frame, which is 4 hours time frame, which means that each candlestick stands for 4 hours from its opening to its closing. All right guys, so we have a very beautiful chart here, and let me draw a line of support and resistance to make the chart looks more beautiful, guys. So we have a very good support at this area here. Okay, we have very good support and resistance at the top here. And guys, if we could see clearly on this chart, you can see it's coming from up, down, goes up, come down, goes up, come down, goes up, and definitely it's gonna come down probably to this level. Let me use a horizontal line for that, and it's gonna come down to let's say this level, which is 6840.6026. so that's where our TP should be, and probably to be a ratio of 1 to 2. All right, yeah, ratio of 1 to 2, like that. So guys, you can see at its still going from within this range. All right, you can see we should also not forget that the trend is a uptrend, but the testing is keeping it coming down. All right, so when it gets to this major support, then it's gonna go back up. So that's why our anticipation is saying that we should place our anticipation on the fact that it will get to 6840. And mind you guys, the market is very, very funny most times. All right, so don't stay quite too long in the market, especially when you discover that the loss is getting so much, and that's the main reason why we have stop loss. All right, that's why we put our stop loss at this price. Let me zoom in so that I can see we put our stop loss at this price. Okay guys, so that's where our stop loss is. And mind you, if you're setting your stop loss on higher time frame, you have to be careful, because if you have small equity, you have to know that it's gonna take you a lot of money. All right, it's gonna take a lot of your funds if the trade gets to this point. Then from this point to this point, I think I've shown you how to do your calculations from the screen, okay, by using the crosshair. All right, then from your entry point here, which is at the price 6888, all right, then you use your other finger to place it on the stop loss. Okay, excuse me, you place it on the stop loss. All right, then we have 5/305. So now what you're gonna do with that now is you're gonna do multiplication. Now we have 5 lots. All right, now 5 lots multiply by 30. Okay, 5 multiplied by 30 is gonna give us 150. It means that this trade is gonna stop at exactly 150, or you can say 5, which is the lot size, multiplied by 30.5. all right, which is around 152.5. that's where your stop loss will be. I don't let me repeat myself so that you guys can understand me more better. Now what I'm saying now is that your lot size is 5. As you can see, let me take this off. As you can see here, all right, the lot size is 5. All right, so now you're gonna click on the crosshair at the top. All right, now when you click on the crosshair, you have to place the horizontal line. All right, you can see it looks like a plus or like a cross. Then you're gonna put the horizontal line on your entry. All right. Sometimes your entry might be a buy, and at the same time your entry might be a sell. It's the same thing for both calculations. I'm going to show you the two calculations now. So if you want to know the amount you're sacrificing for your SL, all right, now is on 6888.6906. All right, so now you're going to press down this at this point, then use your other finger to set the vertical line on the stop loss. All right, make sure that the line is staying on stop loss so that you can have a very good calculation. Okay, this is it on your stop loss. Excuse me. Let me just, yeah, perfect. So now you can see from 6888.6906 to 6919.4475. That's where the stop loss is. Now, what you're gonna do when you're calculating this is, now let's say for example, you're using a lot size of 0.20, all right? Now, if you're using a lot size of 0.20, 0.20, then you're gonna multiply that by what's after the forward slash. On the screen, we have 54/30.7569. Then you're going to multiply the lot size by that. Now, if you're using the smallest lot size, which is 0.20, then you're going to multiply it by 30.75. Now, multiply by 30.75. Now, if you do that, then it makes that with lot size of 0.20, you're going to lose $6.15. All right, if your account is in dollars. All right, so you're going to lose $6.15. And now let's check for the TP from the entry to where we place our CP. It can be more farther down than that, but let me just leave it at this. All right, you can see the TP we have 0.20 multiplied by 47.84. Now we have the TP will be $9.5. All right, now let me do my own calculation with lot size of 5. Then 5 multiplied by 30.5, that's the, if it hits the stop loss, I'm gonna lose $152. Okay, $152.5. And now if it came in profit, then 47 point, that's the lot size, which is 5 lot size multiplied by 47.84. That's 84. That's if it come in profit to the point at the TP, I'm gonna get 239.2. all right, 239.2. Yeah, so guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I just want you to click on this subscribe button so that this will help me, will encourage me to drop more video for you guys. And also turn on the notification bell should I drop another video, you guys should be able to see it. And thank you guys, this is Bisnetplus. Stay safe, bye.